Hello everyone, and welcome to Decoding Everything. Today, I'm going to show you a trick to export your CapCut videos for free, even if you've used Pro features. As you know, CapCut is a fantastic video editor. However, if you use a Pro feature, CapCut will require a membership before you can export your project. But what if there was a way around that? Let's dive in. I've already loaded the captions and video into CapCut, and I'm selecting a Pro voice to generate the narration. I have a project here that uses a Pro feature. If I try to export it, I get the Pro membership required pop-up. Here, I'm generating another caption track using the AI Recognition Pro feature. Now for the magic. Here's what you need to do. First, select all tracks on your timeline, except for the one hidden caption track. Right-click and choose Create Component Clip. Once the new clip is created, right-click on it and select Pre-process Component Clip. Wait for the pre-processing to complete 100%. The time required depends on your system's performance and the clip's length. You might think that's it, but if you try to export now, it still won't work. We have one more crucial step. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run command. Type AppData and press Enter. Navigate to the Locals folder. Then the CapCut folder. Then User Data, Projects, and finally, single quotes com.lv editor.draft. Find the folder for your project. It will likely have a recent date in its name. Inside that folder, go to Resources and then Combinations. Here, you want the MP4 video file that does not have alpha in its name. Drag this MP4 file directly into your CapCut media library. Next, drag the newly imported video onto your main track. Important: delete the original component clip you created from the track. Otherwise, you still won't be able to export your clips. Now, I'm deleting the original component clip. Now, click Export. The button should be available, and you can export for free. If you followed the steps above exactly and still can't export the clip, then check your CapCut version. I'm using v7.6.0. If you have a newer version, I recommend finding v7.6.0 or an earlier version online. Uninstall the current version and reinstall an earlier one. Also, make sure to disable automatic updates in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe to Decoding Everything for more great tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.